Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your team's activity on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the admin button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on activity, which is the third option. Here you can find today's activity as it is marked with the date at the top of the screen. So you can see it organized in a chronological order. As you tap on any of these events, you will be able to check it out in more details, and also the user can be checked out. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.